So today our topic is about the greenhouse gases and we want to understanding and mitigation strategies about the greenhouse gases. So the greenhouse gases are essential for maintaining the earth temperature. Understanding their impacts on climate change is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate the global warming and protect our ecosystem. So the greenhouse gases can be defined as they are essential atmospheric components that trap the heat, influencing the Earth's temperature and climate. Understanding their role is crucial for addressing the global warming and environmental changes. So in this slides, it has been observed that the major types of the greenhouse gases are: first is the carbon dioxide, which is primarily released through fossil fuels, combustions on deforestation, and industrial processes. It is the most prevalent greenhouse gas and significantly contribute to the global warming. Methane gas, which is a potent greenhouse gas, is emitted during the production and transport of the coal, oil, and the natural gas. It is also released by the leaf stalks and other agriculture practices. Other gas, which is known as the nitrous oxide, which is the produced from the agriculture activities, especially the use of the synthetic fertilizers. It has much higher warming potentials compared to the carbon dioxide, significantly affecting the climate change. So first, what are the carbon dioxide sources? So the carbon dioxide is a significant greenhouse gas primarily produced by burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and various industrial processes, which contributing substantially to the global warming. Next one is the methane gas. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas with the global warming potential significantly higher than the carbon dioxide. Its major sources include the livestock farming, landfills, and the natural gas production. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is a potent greenhouse gas primarily released from the agriculture fertilizers, contributing significantly to the global warming and affecting the air quality and the ecosystem health. So, understanding the greenhouse gas emissions by the sector, a breakdown of the global emission data have been observed that the greenhouse gas emission vary significantly by sector, highlighting the need for target strategies in energy production, transportation, agriculture, industries, and waste management to effectively combat the climate change. So there is some global emission trends. For example, understanding the global emission strategies over recent decades is crucial for assessing the effectiveness of climate practices and needs for the urgent actions to mitigate the greenhouse gas emission. There is some breakdown by the sectors. For example, these sections highlight the distributions of the greenhouse gas emissions across the various sectors, such as the energy production, the agriculture, the industries, transportations, and the waste management. So, understanding these contributions is crucial for effective mitigation strategies. It means that 75% have the energy productions in our world. Energy productions is responsible for nearly three quarters of the global greenhouse gas emissions, significantly influencing the climate change and understanding the needs for cleaner energy solutions. So, what are the effects of greenhouse gas on climate? For example, analyzing the scientific evidence and observe their effects, such as the greenhouse gas are significantly altering the global climate patterns. Raising the temperature correlate with change in the weather events impacting the ecosystem, biodiversity, and contributing to sea level rises and extreme weather occurrence. So here observe that the temperature rises, for example, the correlations between rising temperature and the global warming, highlighting the scientific data that understand the urgency of addressing the greenhouse gas emission for climate stability. Next, the weather pattern impact. Basically, the increase in the greenhouse gas has led to significant change in the weather pattern, resulting in extreme events such as the prolonged drought and devastating floods that disturb the ecosystem and human livelihoods. Ecosystem impact. More abruptly, the greenhouse gases significantly affect the ecosystem and biodiversity, causing the habitats loss, altering the species migration patterns, and resulting in phenomena like the coral bleach that threaten the marine life. So there is again some effective strategies for greenhouse gas reduction, such as the innovative approach to combat the climate change, like the mitigation strategies include the renewable energy adoption, energy efficiency improvements, and carbon capture techniques. These efforts are crucial for reducing the greenhouse gas emission and combating the climate change effectively. So, how the renewable energy solutions can be effective? For example, the adoption of renewable energy source, such as the solar and wind, is crucial for enhancing the energy efficiency and significantly reducing the greenhouse gas emissions, paving the way for a sustainable future. Carbon capture technologies such as the carbon captures and storage techniques are essential for reducing the greenhouse gas emissions, capturing the carbon dioxide from the industry processes and storing it underground to prevent the atmospheric release. So there is some future challenges in the greenhouse gas control, exploring the projections and ongoing global issues such as the as global emission rise, the challenges of cooperation among nations intensify, innovative policies and technologies adopt will be crucial in shaping the future emission scenarios and environmental outcomes. So there is some future emission scenarios such as the emission scenarios will significantly depend on the adoption of sustainable policy and innovative technology influencing the future greenhouse gas levels and climate stability. So this is all about the greenhouse gas effects, there are different gases involved and the role of different policies to control it. Thank you so much.